Hey, what's going on, guys? So I want to take a minute and just talk about this really kick-ass thermal printer. Yeah, so this has a million use cases for it, but this is kind of perfect for instant photography with labeling your photos. Yeah, let's get into it.
You know the type of guy that was a jock in high school but ended up becoming a huge nerd? You know, someone that's not afraid to make a fool of themselves on the internet. And someone that likes to shoot Polaroid a little too much. Did I say huge nerd? You know, just an ordinary, everyday guy. Well, that's me. I'm just another Chris.
Hey, worth mentioning, this was sent to me for review, but you know, not being paid. Thoughts are my own, so yeah. So this thing is pretty cool. So when the company reached out to me to test this out, I was like, what am I gonna do with a thermal label printer? But then it hit me. What if there was a better way to organize your Polaroid or Instax photos, AKA instant photography photos? Sure, I know, this is the tried and true method, a Sharpie or pen. You can write on the picture itself or flip it over and write it on the back. But maybe you wanna give this away and you don't wanna show off how horrible your handwriting is, like mine. Well, that's where this comes in. It uses your phone to do all of the work. You do have to download an app, but they have conveniently left a QR code on the front to scan it, download the app, and you're in. And to connect this thing is ridiculously simple. No logging in, no creating an account, none of that garbage. You just open the app, hit connect, and you're in. It's so simple. If it doesn't work that fast for you, just go into your Bluetooth settings and find the printer and connect to it, and you're done. It uses USB-C. Yes, you heard that correctly. USB-C. Finally, companies are getting the memo. No more micro USB. We don't want that. So it has a touch button. Put your finger on it for about 3 seconds and then it will turn on. To load it, top flips open. You drop the cartridge, I guess it's called a cartridge, into it, and you pull some of it through the feeder, close it, and you're done. Really simple. It came with a cartridge, and I believe there's 50 individual labels, but there's also a continuous paper that they have where you can print pretty much the full length of the tape if you really want to. So for me, I do a lot of YouTube videos and I do a lot of reviewing of cameras, right? So I go out and sometimes I forget the settings, the day I shot it, or what camera I shot it with. Maybe I'm doing a side-by-side comparison. Yes, I'm aware of the Sharpie. I hear you, I know. But come on, this looks so much more clean. But typically when I do write on my photos, I don't write on the front. Sometimes I do, it's pretty rare. But I will write the information on the back. Now, if I'm shooting Instax, I can't really do that because it's a black background. So that's where this label printer really comes in handy. So once you're inside the app, you're presented with a lot of different options. You have text, images. Yes, maybe you want to create some sort of icon coding system. You could, and you could print it out on the label. You got bubble text, you got like little stickers, you got graffiti, which is really cool because you can actually just draw something within the app and print it out. You can quick select the date. You can even create custom barcodes in here. For me, I'm mostly going to be interested in doing the text options. I shot this with the Mint RF70 camera in Fairborn, Ohio in October of 2022. So I can put that information on the back. Also, if I happen to remember the camera settings, I could input that information as well. All I have to do is hit print, peel, and stick. You can get the same labels that came with this one, which I believe they call gap labels. And it's really not that expensive. You can get packs of 50 or full length tape. I highly recommend this. This is pretty sweet. Actually, a little thing that I'm gonna carry in my camera bag. I can find a lot of uses for this. Even outside of instant photography, I mean, it's a regular thermal label. You can use this for whatever you want, labeling your cameras, batteries, cables, maybe around your house, or for me, my studio. I need to do some labeling around here, and this is a cheap way to do it and a really fast way to do it. If you want to pick one of these up, I'll leave a link in the description below along with some replacement cartridges. What are your thoughts? Are you gonna get one of these? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, get out there, make some art, and maybe do some labeling while you're out there.